Let me ask you a scary financial question. If your income stopped today, how long could your household survive without borrowing money? 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months? This is why an emergency fund matters. It's there for unexpected expenses and income disruption, not for shopping or vacation or lifestyle upgrade. Start small if you have to. The goal is to create a financial cushion between your family and life's unexpected surprises. Start your emergency fund today. How many months of essential expenses would your current savings cover? Drop it in the comment section. Follow Family Wealth Blueprint for practical money tips to help you build wealth, create financial freedom, and leave a lasting legacy. See you in my next video.